Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energy starting from 11th till 17th of October. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, okay? And if this is going to be a general reading, it may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. And let's get started. For Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, for my Aries, 11th till 17th of October. Aries, 11th till 17th of October, please. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Judgment energy. Okay, so you could be dealing with a situation where you had to take some decision making. Okay, you might have already made a decision, or you are in the middle of making a decision. This can be anything. This can be whatever situation you are in: love, money, career, finances, health. But yeah, I feel that you are delaying this from a long time. The hints are already given to you by the universe. You might be delaying them, but yeah, the hints are there for you, okay? In the past, we have the 10 of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Sorry, 10 of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Cups and the Star. Could be a broken marriage in the past, or could be a broken relationship, something related with instability. You might have lost a lot of finances in the past by a loved one only. So yeah, something related with a loved one. Might be a mother as well for some of you, or a lady figure, but somebody you have loved a lot. Might be dealing with a Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, Cancer or Aquarius, but yeah, we'll clarify in detail. In the present, we have the Tower in reverse, 8 of Pentacles in reverse and Knight of Wands. Might be dealing with Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus or Sagittarius. I do not see energy level, it's like you have to take a decision, but you do not have that energy to take that decision, or you have lost all the hopes, or you have to rebuild something again. It can be a relationship, or something like the past relationship didn't work well, or something didn't work well, so I'm afraid to go forward again. So you can be doing that, is why you are delaying the process in the present. In the coming future, we have 5 of Swords, 8 of Swords and 3 of Wands. I don't know why you are dealing this much, because in the coming future, in the coming week also, you are seen like you are not able to take the decision, because you have so much. Either somebody is manipulating you from outside, or this can be self-sabotage moment. Okay, you might be doing this because you are afraid, you are feeling stuck, and I don't know, but we'll clarify. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Aries. Clarification energies, please. Tell me more about the Judgment. Why the Judgment energy is here? Judgment card, please. So we have the Hierophant in reverse, the Sun and 7 of Swords. Okay, so yeah, there could be a betrayal moment, a betrayal in the marriage, a betrayal in a family, a betrayal in something, like some kind of issues where we feel like that I had trusted that person, and I couldn't even imagine that this person has betrayed me. And that is the reason you are really asking the universe for the decision to be made by you. It's like that, you are asking universe to do, just to take things in your hand. I am not able to take things right now because of the things that have left me so bad. It was a happy thing for some time, but it was just happy from outside. I don't see anything from inside because of the deception which was made by somebody. It could be you as well. Might be dealing with a Taurus or a Leo. But yeah. Let's see. Who is this Queen of Cups in the past? Tell me more about the Queen of Cups. We have the Hermit in reverse. We have King of Pentacles in reverse. And Four of Wands. Yeah, definitely. There could be a marriage involved. There could be somebody from the family who is involved. A celebration. For some of you, it could be also a part of a celebration where you were there. Okay, it could be like a get together. It could be a marriage you were getting. It could be your marriage. It could be a marriage you were there. It was a celebration in which you were there, and things went really bad. It was like, oh my God, what is this thing? Why am I, or why are you doing in this like this in front of people? You have lost all the patience. Also, this could be anything. I feel that somebody out of you both, if this is a love relationship, could have lost all the patience at some point. Star energy. Why the star is here? Seven of Cups, Four of Pentacles in reverse, and Five of Pentacles in reverse. There were hopes for this could be your energy where you were hoping for some kind of a reunion, okay? But what exactly happened was the other person was not hoping. I am just saying it. You can change the story, you can change the roles, but this could be one of you who was thinking for a reconciliation or to get back together, of not letting go of the other person, but somehow the other person did let go. And it was like, whatever things have happened, whatever, if this was a marriage situation, if this was a love situation, you were thinking about reconciliation, but it didn't happen. You were thinking, when we have lots of hopes, like, okay, I like a lot of confidence in yourself, like things will be fine, I will make everything happen, everything will be fine, I know that. But it doesn't go like that. It goes like the opposite of that. And that is why things were, you wanted to reconcile, or your person wanted to reconcile, but from the other end it was not at all looking the same the way you were looking at the situation. Tower energy. Why the tower is there in the present? Five of Wands, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, and Page of Cups in reverse. Yeah. You want to rebuild this again. Somebody want to rebuild this communication, rebuild this relationship again. Like, let's talk, let's have a chit chat, let's communicate, let's go and have some coffee, and we will talk, we will communicate it. But somebody is not ready to communicate it because of some manipulations which might be coming from other people. Some kind of I am feeling strong Pisces or Capricorn energy over here, who is somebody who is trying to manipulate your person, or somebody is trying, there's some manipulation from the outer source, and that is why things are really going out of the way. They are not working out. No matter, it's like you're putting efforts, you're multiplying everything with zero. It's like 100 multiplied by 0 is 0. So the more effort you are putting, it is like it's coming, the result is coming 0. So that is what is going on. 8 of Pentacles in reverse, 8 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and 3 of Pentacles. Yeah. See, again, I am saying, I was saying that everything you are doing, you are putting a lot of effort, but things are going like 0. And see how much effort you are putting. 3 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, 8 of Wands. It's like you are putting efforts, you're putting communication. Somebody's trying to talk, somebody's trying to involve a third party. Like, let's talk, let's make her meet me, make her talk to me, something. But it's not happening. Knight of Wands in reverse, please. The Tower. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. And King of Cups in reverse, right? Emotions, I do not see any emotions left with this person towards you, or your emotions left towards this person. Things are not going the way you want. Everything is like, you know, is out of your way, and everything is coming towards an end. You are feeling that things are coming towards an end and they are not happening. The energy level is really low from the other end. 5 of Swords. Tell me more about the 5 of Swords and the future energies. Cancer energies here, Cancer and Pisces. Strong water energies are also coming. Death, Scorpio, Cancer, and Sagittarius energy, Aries energy is also here. So, okay. In the coming future, there will be a time, because I am seeing a lot of thoughts which are coming up. Thoughts, people are coming, like people are telling you. Somebody see how this crow is putting ideas in this person's head, and this person is like, oh my god, please stop doing that. And somebody is stopping the manipulation to happen because of somebody who is really wanting to take the situation in his or her hand. It's you, Aries. You are not listening to anyone now. You have to stop this, okay? Because you have to, because people are trying to stop you. In fact, people are trying to slow you down. And because of the slowness of energies, you will be so slow that you won't be able to catch the difference, okay? So do not slow down. Just keep on running with the pace you have. And yes, the transformation, somebody is trying to stop the transformation to happen, to stop the change. This is somebody else, or this can be you as well, because of the feeling of being stuck, because it's feeling like, no, this is not going to happen. No matter how much energy I will apply, everything will be like finished. But no, do not stop the transformation, because it is meant to happen. Okay, tell me more about the 3 of Wands. The Magician, 6 of Swords, Queen of Wands in reverse, and 8 of Swords again. See how somebody is like not able to move. You have that energy, you can move. Magician with 8 of Swords, but you are not moving. You are just waiting. Either you are waiting for somebody else to come to you and talk to you, but I do not see movement in the coming future. There will be movement only and only if somebody, if you will be like, I have to do, if you will take things in your hand. And you have to take things. Don't let anyone manipulate you over here, Aries, okay? So that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.